Okay guys, this is the next morning. We have started our trek back and the elusive grasslands for which we have been looking for is ahead of us. So capturing this moment for all you guys. My body is filled with leech bites and hey, Hushar, side in go, side in.
You got too excited.
And also mosquito bites. Oh! Hey! ಹೌದಾ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೋಗು. And here is sunlight. Camera na? Finally.
Just holding this.
Yeah. Okay. No, I'll hold it. Go ahead.
Careful, huh?
Yeah.
Stand here.
At last. Feels so good. Guys, hit the grassland at 595 meters.
Finally.
595. At last.
Okay guys, beware of snakes.
ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ